Today my topic is analysis of animal husbandry, injection in greenhouse gas using fuzzy topsis method. Animal husbandry and greenhouse gas. Animal husbandry, domestic controlled farming of animals, management, production and sensitivity reproduction to improve qualities of profit. GHG problem, livestock emits CH4, methane and NH3 major greenhouse gases. Mitigation reduce integrated N cycle and C cycle strategies. MCDM solution, fuzzy topsis rank husbandry alternative across multi-criteria to find the best sustainable action. Alternative, poultry husbandry, cows husbandry, sheep husbandry, pigs husbandry, horses husbandry. Criteria, food, water, antibiotics, agriculture land. Fuzzy topsis, technical for order preference by similarly ideal solution, is a decision making method using fuzzy logic to handle uncertainty ranking option by closeness to ideal solution. Fuzzy logic ideal with reasoning under vagueness, allowing particle truth values inserted of strict true or false. Animal husbandry, food, water, antibiotics, agriculture land. This criteria, cows, poultry husbandry, cows husbandry, sheep husbandry, pigs husbandry, horses husbandry. Cows husbandry, food highest value 89.12, lowest horses 58.33, water highest cows 192.97, lowest horses 106.41. Antibiotics highest cows 33.69, lowest poultry 90.15. Highest agriculture land, highest cow 47.30, lowest pigs 27.59. Animal husbandry data, cows determine all four criteria, water values are highest than another criteria, horses score lowest food input water, poultry has the lowest antibiotic use, pigs use the agriculture land. All criteria units at different normalization reviewed. The square root of matrix normalization, x square ij equal to value square, each cell is squared before taking column wise square root, each value square, columns are summed, square root taken, use as determinant of normalization. Fuzzy significance, logistic scale, EL extremely low, VL very low, L low, M medium, H high, VH very high. I lower, M middle, U upper. A equal to L M U. A triangle fuzzy numbers has three values. I lowest bound, minimum possible value. M middle, the most value. U upper bound, maximum possible value. EH 0.9 1, 1. Expert says extremely high. L 0.1, 0.3, 0.5. Expert says low. Criteria logic system rank fuzzy values. Logarithmic scale ranks by determinant decision makers converted into triangle fuzzy members LMU. Aggregator fuzzy weights. Water most important M 0.73. Agriculture land least important M equal to 0.30. All weights exported as fuzzy, triplex, expert, uncertainty and subjectivity. Fuzzy weights distribution. The circle food 27%, water 37%, antibiotic 29%, agricultural land 50%. The normalized decision matrix Rij equal to Xij root sum of x square ij converted different unit values to comparable scale 0, 1. Cows remain highest across all columns. Horses the lowest food and water. Values now between 0 and 1.3. The normalized. Weight normalized decision matrix. The example weight 3 food 0.3898 multiplication 0.40, 0.53, 0.67 equal to 0.156, 0.207, 0.261. Each cell is now fuzzy triplex IMU. The weighted matrix is used to find A plus the best and A minus the worst for each criterion. Positive ideal A plus, negative ideal A minus. The A plus equal to positive ideal solution, the best value in each criterion column. A minus equal to the negative ideal solution, worst value in each criterion column. Fuzzy positive and negative ideal decisions. Cows fuzzy positive ideal solution, distance in food and water 0. Cows ideal solution, the best in those criteria. Horses fuzzy negative ideal solution, distance in food and water 0. Horses ideal solution, the worst. Si plus the sum of all FPIS distance per row. Sj minus the sum of all FNIS distance per row. Used next step. The Si plus Si minus the best low Si plus close to ideal and highest and high Si minus far from worst. Cows Si plus 0.219 the lowest, Si minus 0.505 the highest rank 1. The final ranking: cows the first rank, poultry the second rank, sheep third rank, pigs fourth rank, horses fifth rank. Sheep, pigs, horses the three coefficient, 0 the worst. Cows poetry the best one. The Pareto opposites used the formula normalization. Step 1, step 2 fuzzy weight aggregation, step 3 weight normalized matrix, step 4 fuzzy distance, step 5 SI plus positive ideal solution, step 6 SI minus negative ideal solution, step 7 closeness coefficient. Cows husbandry the first rank, poultry husbandry the second rank, sheep husbandry the third rank, pigs husbandry the fourth rank, horses husbandry the fifth rank. The Pareto opposites effectively rank livestock types under uncertainty. Cows husband is a optical for greenhouse gas management.